Hello everyone. So I'm going to make sunflower. Basically, I'm going to give it a try. I've designed the petal myself, and I've cut it now, and I'm going to give it a go. So I just thought I will make a video of it and then share it with you. So what I've done is I have created petals like this and then folded them in half. I have done the center of the flower in 3 different colors. So I'm going to start with a light, so this is not pure white but kind of a bit creamish kind of color. And then because I have my actual petal is this dark color, there is another light one that goes with it. And because well, actually I'm going to make it for the radio station I go and do a program in. And because in the logo of the radio station there is this purple color, there is yellow color, and there is a light purple color. So I've tried to use all different colors in this flower, just so that it just gels, blends in with the logo of the radio station Unity 101. And let's see how it comes out. My initial plan was, you might have seen that Avil Eye amulet. It has the dark purple outside, and inside there is a dark black. think this is looking very, very pretty. What do you think? I will be putting something at the back for it to be able to hold, but otherwise I think it's looking very, very nice, very beautiful. I'm very happy with this one. Looks very beautiful, I think, and the colors are coming out very nice, and this especially the yellow and this dark purple, they go very well with each other. I might actually just because this is quite as I said, the length is a little bit more than what I would have liked for the middle thing. So what I'm doing is I'm just pressing it a little bit down, so that basically the length, whatever length I have ended up with, is just filled with this. Yeah, okay. What I've done is I've just pressed them down a little bit, so it is covered. So even if I look at here, it doesn't show me the length or the bottom part. It basically just show. And I'm going to do a little bit from the side ones as well. Maybe expanding it out a little bit. And that's the benefit of, what do you call it, a paper flower. You can just give it any shape that you want. And this one looks, yep. So here we go. This one is ready. Tell me whether it looks like a sunflower or not, or whether I should be doing something different. I know a sunflower is only a yellow color, but basically this is the same kind I was trying to make. Here we go. So thank you very much for watching it, if you have been watching it until now. So thank you very much. And I have another petal, as I said. I did another rose one as well, so I will be doing a rose one as well. We'll do a video of that one, and we'll post that one as well. Thank you very much.